craft, spin, and shine. ROKR 3D Globe Puzzle. A DIY adventure with brains, beauty, and bright ideas. Discover a globe-trotting adventure from the comfort of your home with the ROKR 3D Wooden Puzzle Illuminated Globe. This 180-piece DIY puzzle transforms into a stunning antique-style illuminated globe, perfect for history buffs, hobbyists, or anyone craving hands-on creativity. Featuring a built-in LED light, this mesmerizing piece serves as both a functional night lamp and a captivating home decor item. Whether you're assembling it solo or bonding over geography with family, this project guarantees a fun, relaxing escape from screens. Dive into a world of craftsmanship that's equal parts educational, artistic, and inspiring. Step up your puzzle game with features that truly set the ROKR Illuminated Globe apart. Unlike generic 3D puzzles, this model's laser-cut precision ensures every piece fits seamlessly, no glue, no mess, no frustration. Built with non-toxic, durable plywood, it's designed to last while exuding a premium, vintage aesthetic. Its USB-powered LED light offers a soft, warm glow, creating a cozy ambience for any space. The clever slidable magnifier lets you explore tiny cities and countries, blending fun with education. With this globe, you're not just building a puzzle, you're building memories that shine. Why settle for the ordinary when you can own an interactive masterpiece? The ROKR Globe isn't just a puzzle, it's a mechanical marvel. Turn the gear-driven base to spin the globe and watch the magic unfold. Compact yet impactful at 11.5 inches tall, it's a space-saving treasure that doubles as a practical night lamp. Perfect for adults, teens, and even kids, this kit inspires creativity while enhancing spatial awareness and patience. Whether you're gifting or keeping it, the globe promises an unmatched blend of education and entertainment. Invest in a product that's not just affordable but worth every penny. With its superior build quality and timeless charm, the ROKR Illuminated Globe delivers the ultimate bang for your buck. Say goodbye to fragile, gimmicky puzzles. This kit is rigorously tested for durability and backed by 15 years of craftsmanship expertise. Plus, its zero-glue assembly means you'll save time, effort, and cleanup. Designed with care and precision, it's a product you can trust to deliver a hands-on, satisfying experience every single time. What makes the ROKR Globe Puzzle a must-have? Its unique combination of artistry, functionality, and innovation. Use it to light up your room, stimulate your mind, or spark meaningful conversations. Perfect as a gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because moments, it's a surefire hit with anyone who loves crafting or collecting statement decor. Whether you're a curious teen or a nostalgic adult, this globe offers the joy of creation with a touch of adventure. So go ahead, spin the globe, and let your imagination shine.